In this video guide, I will give you recommendations that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Turbo Download. Turbo Download is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The trouble with this extension is that it functions as adware. It actually displays a lot of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Often these ads may also cause unwanted browser redirections to random websites. So remove this extension by accessing the menu, More Tools, then choose Extensions. So if you find any suspicious extensions, get rid of them. One by one, carefully get rid of all these junk extensions if you find them here. There is a software which can help you clean your computer automatically and remove all other possible threats. I recommend you to use it. It's called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the software, and then start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.